Hello there, it's Craig here, your Mad Hatter unboxer at the barbershop again. So today I'm going to unbox a new pair of cordless clippers. Well, they've probably been out for a little while, but they're new to me, okay? Takes me a while to save up to get my new things, and sometimes I have to sell other products to be able to get newer products. So I don't just get them given to me, unfortunately. So yeah, so it takes me a little bit longer to bring you guys and gals some products sometimes, okay? Alright, so today is some Gold FX Babyliss Pro clippers, okay? These are the metal lithium clipper. So these are the FX870G metal lithium clipper. There they are on the back of them. Okay, so let's get the lid off and get into it. These are Ferrari designed engine. There's the Ferrari logo there. Again, these come in a nice package too. They're like it's an aluminium package, which is quite nice. Better, nicer than some of the other brands that just put them in a cardboard box. They're clippers. Let's shove it over there. Anyway, let's get these out. Oh, wow, they are in the box. Alright, there we go. Let's move that out of the way. Here they are. Nice. Babyliss Pro written just here. They do feel nice too. And you got your on off switch just here with a bit of tape protection. Down the bottom there you've got your cord. And looks like it's got a ring pull here. It does, here we go. So you can hang them up if you want to. I choose not to do that. I prefer to have mine right in front of me. They look nicer when they're sitting on the bench in front of me. Let's get this tape off. Actually, let's not. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, put that over there. So here's our power cord. You just get one. This is in Australia, so there's no push off there. It's already an Australian attachment, and just a straight plug in. Yeah, just straight in there. It's a tight fit, if you know what I mean. Okay, what else is in there? Oh, we've got some clipper numbers too, so very good for the price you pay for this. Like I said, I had to sell some clippers to get these. These were Australian dollars, $290. So I'm not sure how much they are in other countries, but in Australia I paid $290 on these with my barber supply. Let's put that over there. So they feel nice. They got on the blade, they got Babyliss Pro written on the blade there, if you can see that. Sorry if I film with my mobile phone. No fancy cameras, just a front-facing camera set at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Yeah, there's no editing, it's all raw footage. We've got a little sticker on the front here as well. It says important. Oil blades before use, keep blades oiled. Yes, always oil your blades. Okay, look after them. Alright. You look after your clippers, they look after your clients, clients look after you. which then gets you more clippers. What else is there? So, like I said, we've got some attachments here, which is good to see. Good to see them add attachments in. Like I say, for the price that I've paid, not all of them give you attachments. They want you to pay a high price, but they don't want to throw any attachments in for you. And it costs you more to get attachments. And they're all plastic. I think they still could have thrown in some better ones, like the wild metal ones with the metal attachment here. I've got one here. So you've got the wild ones with the metal attached. Clips on heaps, really good, this wild ones. And then here's the Babyliss Pro ones, and it's just all plastic. Now let's see how they look at that, too easy doing that. It's just flimsy. But anyway, can't choose what you get sometimes with them. I'm just glad they gave me some. Quite pointy and sharp compared to the wild ones, that have got a nice bit of rounded on here, which won't hurt your client's head. The Babyliss ones are very pointy. Can you see that? Look how pointy they are compared to the wild ones. That's a big difference. Let's see if the wild blade fits on here, eh? Ah, yes, they do. There you go. So you can put the wild blade on your Babyliss. There's no movement. Fits in there perfectly. Straight in there. Awesome. No movement. So look. I mean, they're on there nice and tight, the Babyliss ones, but no, I think I'm just going to use, because they're so pointy, you could accidentally put that into someone's scalp. They're not going to be happy with you. So I think I'll just use these wild ones with them, which means they can stay brand new in the plastic cover. Anyway, what else is there? Anything else underneath here? Some paperwork. Yep, here we go. It's always paperwork. Throw that over there. File and stack it. What do we got? Nice little sticker. Barberology. What else we got? Oh, we've got the sticker of the clipper. And we've just got your booklet. You can read that if you want. So, okay, what do we got? There's another bag here. So these scissors I'm using for cutting. I've had these scissors for about 28, 29 years. I've been a barber for about 30 years. And I've still got some of my original scissors. Don't throw your original stuff away. They remind you of what you come from. I paid for these. Probably back in their day, I think these cost me about $150. So, and I think I was like a second year apprentice. So when I was a second year apprentice, I was only earning about 150 Australian dollars. So not much. Alright, so what have we got here? Let's put out this box. As usual, nice bit of oil. We've got a Phillips head screwdriver. Nice. We even use it as a key ring. We've got a tool brush. 2 brushes at each end. And what I always like to come with clippers is your blade protection guard. Always use your blade protection guard at the end of the day when you're not using them. Look after your blades. They look after you, which looks after your clients. Clients look after you. Alright, let's put a bit of oil on these and get them cranking, eh? Oil, and just tap the excess. Let's get this off, and let's turn them on. That's what they sound like on. So they have, and here they have your holes there. So when you adjust, it just clicks into each one of these holes. Be nicer if they weren't there, so you could have a nicer, in case you want to put them between those settings. So anyway, let's just put them up against these seniors. So they're longer than the seniors, as you can see. So wow, look at the difference. Got to get used to holding these. And there's your power button on the front of them, where your walls are on the side. I don't mind where the power button is. You're not going to accidentally turn it off. But I actually like where the power button is on these as well. There's your Andis ZRs, your Series 1s. About the same, roughly the same size, same circumference. Let's turn these on and let's have a listen to the ZRs. Oops. The ZRs are very loud. That's at full bore loudness. Probably need a little bit of a charge up too, so it'll be even louder when they charge. Okay. And your Wall, we'll compare them with the Wall 100 year anniversary 1919s. So here's the sound of they're nice and quiet. These Babyliss, very quiet compared to these Wall 1919s. Listen to that. And there's your blade comparison. So roughly the same. Both got blades that are fade out. You could probably zero gap these two, I'm sure. There you go. There you go. Look. Now let's plug it in. Let's have a sound with the plugged in. Let's have a look. Alright, so the blue light flashes when plugged in. Now it says here with the LED charge indicator light, so LED blue blinking when charging. The LED blue will just, when fully charged, will just stay blue. And 10 minutes battery life left over, the blue light starts flashing. These run for about, let's have a look, let's read the back. Okay. So here they are. Turn that unplug. There we go, and I'll read the back. You don't need to see my ugly face. Alright, so on the back of the box says FX870G metal lithium clipper, DLC nickel titanium coated stainless steel blade, right there. You got 5 detent taper control, so there's 5 little taper controls there. You've got a high torque brushless Ferrari designed engine. You've also got a all metal housing, knurled barbell grip. If you like, when you've got nothing to do and you get a bit energetic, you do some barbells, some triceps. Some rows, just don't drop them. You got a lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime. You've got, you can use them cord or cordless, dual voltage, and you've got your hook, which I showed you at the beginning of this video. Okay, they come with 8 comb attachments. So you've got a 1.5mm, a 3mm, 4.8mm, a 6mm, a 10mm, a 13mm, a 16mm, and a 19mm attachments. Okay, so there you go. I've compared them to the others, and here they are. I like how it says Babyliss Pro just here as well, and it also says it on the blade too, which is a nice add-on. Okay, there we go. And you've got some nice, like a grip feel there too, so it's brazed. Okay, what does it say on the back here? It just says Babyliss Pro and the model number. Used with adapter, such and such. So you've got your model number written there as well underneath the Babyliss Pro. So yeah, nice. There we go. It moves smoothly, but you know, you just gotta, it falls into those little holes, detent holes. And there's the sound again. They feel nice. Not too heavy. They're definitely not as heavy as these ZRs. Roughly the same. Maybe the Walls a little bit. Maybe they're a little bit lighter than the Walls. But they're probably about the same weight as your Walls Seniors. Okay, so there you go. I've gone over my 15-minute mark. Sorry about that. And there you go. The Babyliss Pro Gold FX clippers, cordless clippers. Anyway, this is Craig, your Mad Hatter unboxer. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment. I will answer your questions as good as I possibly can, to my own knowledge. Share it, hit the bell, ding ding, and all the above. All right, so be good, stay cool, be great to your clients because they're great back to you, and be kind to everyone else. See you later.